Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Leroy Traffik. Now in cars, he's first seen passing Mac on Interstate 40 before exiting to the top-down truck stop to have a rest, causing McQueen to complain of being overtaken by him. Once he parks, he places his mattress on the ground before falling asleep. Later, he's seen in the end credits coming out of Luigi's with some snow tires, which, well, look at this one tire here. Not good, is it? No wonder he stopped to have a rest. Isn't that right, Leroy? I'll take that as a yes. Now, how is a physical description? Leroy is a 1992 Hamlet Gallivant 1200 that is painted a greyish-purple colour with 4 grey wheels, of which his rear right wheel is smaller than the others, as I previously mentioned. They were later purchased snow tyres at Luigi shop. Again, I previously mentioned that. On his roof, he carries a large white mattress. His number plate reads 874 LTK. However, his bypass version with snow tyres has a number plate that reads E52-47, so it is unknown which is correct. It's possible they may have changed the number plates throughout the film. Sounds bit mysterious, isn't it? Now here's some trivia. Interestingly, Leroy's eyes are blue when he's seen on the motorway / highway, whereas his eyes are green when he's seen coming out of Luigi's. And a wind blowing on a mattress causes Leroy to suffer slight drag. Slight drag. Well, slight drag? Okay. His first number plate reads 847 LTK, with the letters being a reference to his full name, Leroy Traffik, which nice to know. That's why I like Pixar. They have lots of Easter eggs in it, don't they? Yeah. Like a Pizza Planet truck that appears in, let's see, pretty much every Pixar film. And a John Ratzenberger, he also appears in pretty much every Pixar film. He voices Mac in Cars, if you're wondering who he voices. Who else does he voice? He voices Ham in Toy Story. Who else is there? School of Fish and Finding Nemo. I think he believe one of the chefs in Ratatouille. The builder from Up, Carl Fredrickson. That's right. He's an old retired guy. He attaches the balloons to his house, and then the house flies away. Then this little scout called Russell, and you know what I mean. As you can see, he's got blue eyes, bluey green eyes. They're more of a blue colour, okay. He's got no grill, which in the Cars model would be the equivalent to a mustache. You can see he's got sliding rails, which is nice. Here we go. 877 LTK, as I previously mentioned, is his number plate. Oh, here we go. As I previously mentioned, his rear right tyre. Now, nice. Well, no, not really nice, is it? It's well, kind of sad actually. And if you're wondering, here's the base. 1838 EA, I don't know, the A factory in, where is this made? Let's see, where was this made? China, yes. It was only recently they started making them in Thailand, didn't they? Like, Winford here, he's, this is 2022 variant, so that means he's made in Thailand, isn't he? And, my favourite part, he's got a mattress attached to his head, which is, his most, recognisable feature, I guess you could call it. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say, so I'll see you in the next videos. Subscribe. to me and Mr. Duckett, the best YouTubers ever.